Last shot ball, sorry. Last shot ball daw. Owen pa na first ball. Owen. Hindi lang kita. Last shot ball. Yang kedua, Lelecen, Anisan, Najak, number 40, puro ka po sa number 43. Sumama tayo, 40 shot lang, sumama tayo. 40 shot. Ocampo. Steal by number 20. To number 52. 30 shot. Number 4, good. We welcome Marco. Nice pass. There you go. Finish. Nakabol. Nice block. And number 43. Nasyo. Wala. Back ka rin. Wala ka rin. Nakit ko na rin. Okay, naman tayo return sa Chico. Number 300, 40 shot clock, number 20. And foul. Number 43, Saturday. Second personnel, 30 balls. Last, dalawa na, dalawa. Penalty na. Ang last shot. Third personal call. Box, takbo na sa number 20. Object. Takbo na sa 20. Masok. Number 12, to the beat. Finish. Okay, sabi dito sa 15, 58 seconds. David, clock. 40 seconds. 40. Clear by. Yes, that's right. 40 to shoot. 24 seconds. From count 4. 52. First down. Raise the ground. And the server Papa, nice game. David, 10 seconds. And clock. 5. Last shot video, so 1,000 na. Sunod. David, 14 shot na. 14 shot na. Back to the ball here. Third personal foul. 14 shot lang. Still, fire up until short. Still, almost. Rebound, Ignacio. David, David. David, tapos. Tapos sa David. One para number 38. Finish. Nice job by number 28. 16 to shoot. 16 to shoot. 40 to shoot. And 17. No good. Rebound. Number 12. Oh! Pass. Yan. Reyes. Rebound. Francis. Golden shot clock, a foul ball at 3. Short. Yan. Good. Reyes, good shot. Good. Campo. On a 3. 17 to Phoenix. Tijan. Back to Phoenix. Wala ka sa rin. Orange ball. Points, number 3. Reyes, ang imbang. Yan. Campo. Ready. Wala ka na. Masyadong sa plaza ang mga yan. Finish. The good. Rebound finish for the Jagger. There's a foul. Number 17. First personal. First team foul. A foul on the team again for the Jagger. Silver shot. Holding shot lang. Shot. Wala pa rin. Underplay, Ignacio, focus pa rin. Ibarra, wala pa rin, number 12. Yeah, ang nabasagin din, still live. Velarde, no combo back to Velarde, 2 points. Yun sa puna, ang kalabanan ng team Owen. Reyes, may hawak, number 12. First, second, big ball, and out coach. Gracias, gana. Ready. 4 shot. It is a 3. Yes. 4. 33. Yan. Okay.
Ano ba yun?
Ocampo. 50 seconds. 45 seconds.
Okay.
Rebounding Matthew. After play. Ocampo again. Wala. Lalo na lang ang nangyari. Yeah. 24 seconds. 40 to shoot. 18 seconds. He's down. Foul 12. Second personal. 13 fouls. 15 seconds.
Shoot rush. Aywa.
10. 5. Last shot ball, last shot. Last shot ball. Dito tayo. Kings court na, Kings court. Next possession, Moe. Last shot ball. Third quarter na. Pasa. Holding the shoot. 10 to shoot. Repeat.
Galing.
Jump the floor, you're good. You got it. Second personal foul, first team foul. Only shot left. And to hit. Number 3. Combo. Ignacio, Blanco. Sevilla, to the big, 40 to shoot, the big. 10 to shoot. 5, 6. Number 4. Finish. On ball. Nice steal by number 20, Bianca Floor. Wala. Bravo. Demo pa nila. Camera. Dito. Ibon. Ilagyan. Sabi. Holding shot lock. Holding shot lock. That is good. Yakablo, nice block by number 3. He was the enemy. 38-31. Oh, yes. The Whites, 38-33. Bottom round. Stella, the Whites.
Naku, pinarin pa.
So, that's that ball for the Chandler. Finish. Still. But not there. So come for. That's now one.
Pasta.
Nice pass, number 22 by Chris.
Ay, ano ba yan?
Yan. So Campo, hindi naman so Campo. Debate. 52. Second personal. First team foul. Yes. Number 28. Shut out, Moen. May ball tayo. Number 28. So, first personal, second team foul. Moen, 3 minutes 31 seconds. Up to the ball. That's it. Shut up. And shoot. Combo. That's it. Yan. Support this. Number 3. Holding the shoot. Down the floor. Holding the shot. Down the floor again.
Shoot!
Number 20.
Sayang, anak.
So,
Ay, sayang din.
magkakasan natin. Makapo, basket yan.
Galing ni Gab.
0-1, deposit siya. First personal, second team foul. Bonus withdraw by Mr. Ocampo. Basket rebound. Number 3, nice pass, nice play.
Nice one for
Nakakablo.
nakalimutan dumisens na.
Ayan. Diaz. Nag-pinta. Kaya na. Last shot. 57 seconds. O, isa ka. Pumasok lang. Sige lang.
Fire 57 seconds.
Hop. Okay. Dalawa. Dalawang dapat sa fourth quarter. Seconds. 40 to shoot. It hurts. 35 seconds.
Nice one, Jay.
17 to shoot. 17 to shoot.
Nice one.
30 seconds. Yakwado.
Sayang pa. Sige pa. Naku, hindi nakuha.
30 seconds. Napapapalayan.
Isang lang. Galing.
Done. Points. 10 seconds.
Sayang. Galing
Last
naman.
shot. Ang last shot. 5.
Ay, sayang. Mga bitin ng tira. Nice lang. Ano? Ano yun? Shoot yun.
Basket count 3.
Ba? Ah, 3. Sa 3 pala siya.
Moment. Moment, ball, next possession, last shot. Basketball.
Ay, sayang.
Ball. 14-second shot left. Steal by Phoenix. There's a whistle. Foul number 28. Second personal. First team foul.
Shoot. Ay, sayang.
Ryan
Ay, ba yan? Mali yung pagkapatid.
Diaz.
Ay,
Dennis.
ay, sayang.
Steal complete. Nice shot. Never steal by number 12 to Franco. Franco. First foul on number 4. First personal foul. Second team foul. Moment. Ginawang timeout ng Philippines to Salawat timeout. Paalala.
Ay, sayang. Shoot. Ay, sayang.
Ayun. Ay, nani. Ay, malakas pa rin. Talagang ng ating engineer. Nice steal by the Philippines.
Galing naman yun.
Nice shot by Tata Flores. Ganda naman. Steal tape. Kaya para masuplado rin natin yun. Hilake. Lago.
Ay, nag-aabang
Ibang
sa
Pagaw. Ibang.
nakahawak.
Yakasyo. Pagdete. Finish.
Ano ba yan? Rosyo, upangan kasi.
Third first down. Third team foul.
I-shoot mo yan.
Kalamangan ng
Para wag sayang na flex mo. Sige lang. laban.
Douglas.
Galing.
Boy.
Galing.
Yes. The Franco.
Sige, habol.
45, 53, wala naman.
Ay,
3 seconds.
sapa. Ay, nako. Sigat.
Ignacio. Ignacio.
Galing. Malitas yung timing.
55, 41.
Hurt! Defense!
Milagro Magud. Top number 20. Morgan Shadlock. Morgan Shadlock. Here, yeah.
Ano? Ay,
Yes.
nako po.
Nice pass.
Oh,
Morgan
defense.
55. Baba sa amin.
Defense.
David. Douglas.
Ay, sayang.
Pass Ignacio.
Ang galing.
Kaya 43.
Bilis ulit. Pasa. Walo-walo.
Finish. Nice job, Reyes. 57-51. David. Brothers still to the rebound. Good morning. There's a ball. Ball number 3, subdivision. Third personal ball, and the for penalty, Santa, Santa. Wala pa. Sige.
Shoot. Nice one.
Yanko. 59-52.
Isa pa. One more. Shoot, anak. Shoot. Shoot. Ay, sayang.
Ready, set, go.
Nakuha. Ay,
Ocampo.
foul.
Heavily. Stop. Finish.
Ay, sayang.
Yes. Ronaldo. Ocampo. Si David. Dinagila, Pupa. 61-52. 2 minutes. Finish. And that's when there's a foul. Foul number 3. National fourth personal foul penalty. Penalty na ang Team Mowen. 1 minute 48 seconds. 61, 54.
Oh, sayang. Dikit kasi dapat. Nice. Wow.
May foul tayo, si Ganas.
Hi, Jace. Bawal, Jace.
Dalawa si Ganas. Tumugba ang wifi. Kasalanan ni Marlo. Mawin mo. Ready? Last shot, defense. Mawin mo. 7-point lead. Holding to shoot. Standing to shoot. Good points.
Ayan. Wala.
Steal by David. 1 minute. 3 seconds to not shoot. 54 seconds.
Ay, hindi ko na.
Ganas. 40 seconds. 40 seconds. 33 seconds. Still, 58-53, gumalang yan. 22 seconds, that's more. 62-68, time out. 22-21. Okay, 24 rebound. 22 seconds. Shot clock off tayo. Shot clock off tayo. Wala tayong shot clock. Backcourt ang rebound na. Tatlong lamang. Still! 90 seconds. 10 seconds. Wala pa, 17 balls pa lang. 10.5. Mag-isang timeout. 10.5. 10.5. 9 seconds. Wala pa. 13 fouls. 13 fouls. 9 seconds. Seven point eight. Isa pa. Isa pa. Isa pa. Who's foul, right? Who's foul? Sino foul? Number 2, brother. 7.8. 6 seconds. Penalty, both teams. Both teams, penalty. Stop.
Kalimutan.
Last shot. Time out. Apat. 6 seconds. Seconds. Ready, last shot.
Ilang biyahe ka sa SLA?
24.
Ito June. Ilang linggo po preparation?
Ready. Last shot. Six seconds. Five. 2.7. Number 3. Number 3, Ignacio. Fouled out. 2.7.
Sayang.
2.7. Two point one.
Meron silang semi sa...
Penalty na, parehas.
4 o'clock yung game. Check natin next game pag... Before Princess schedule. Wala dito lang. Sabi muna. Salamat, salamat.
Kagaling.
Congratulations.